Hi everyone, welcome back to another Valet Pro video. Today we're going to be doing some headlight polishing. So this headlight isn't that bad, but as you can see compared to the other one, definitely needs a little bit of polishing. This can happen through age, chemicals, UV light, things like that. So a lot of people will go in and say, oh, I need to change my headlights, but hopefully this video will help you be able to polish them up yourself and hopefully save a bit of money and won't get you in trouble with your MOT. So this one's not too bad, so we're just going to have a go at polishing first instead of wet sanding it. As I can imagine, wet sanding, if you've not done it before, can be slightly daunting. So we're just going to go straight in and give it a polish. If that doesn't work, then obviously we're wet sand, but if it does, happy days. But either way, to protect the paintwork around the headlight, we're just going to use some masking tape and just mask up the areas of the paint. Okay, so with the headlight all masked up, we're ready to go. I've got my dual action polisher, a microfiber pad. I'm going to use a couple of blobs of our advanced compound, spread it onto the headlight evenly, and then start polishing. And we should be able to see the clarity and the clearness starting to come up. We're just now going to buff on the residue of the polish and just see what the finish is behind. So as you can see, we've finished with the headlight now. It's now perfectly clear again. What you want to do after you've done things like that is maybe sort of re-lacquer it or put some sort of coating, etc. on, just to stop any sort of it fading or any damage coming back again. We hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe and share, and hit that notification button.